You are in a technical interview, and the topic shifts toward artificial intelligence. AI is not just chatbots. There is something much bigger happening beneath the surface. You request help from a system expecting visible change. You ask, but nothing happens. Answers alone do not create meaningful action. Now consider a stronger possibility beyond simple responses. What if AI could act? Imagine a system that actually executes tasks for you. Artificial intelligence is evolving in clear, structured stages. Chatbots, workflows, agents. Understanding this progression improves how you explain modern systems. Picture routine tasks being completed quietly in the background. AI handles the real work. This frees you to focus on higher value thinking. At a basic level, these systems are trained to generate language. Chatbots equals text. Their primary output is structured text. A response without execution changes nothing in practice. No real action. True impact requires action beyond conversation. Workflows introduce ordered sequences instead of isolated replies. Workflows equals steps. However, flexibility is still limited. Automation often follows a predictable chain from input to output. Fetch, process, respond. But the structure remains predefined. Rigid instructions struggle when context shifts unexpectedly. Workflows can't adapt. Dynamic reasoning requires more autonomy. This is where systems begin to operate more intelligently. AI agents decide. Decision-making introduces controlled autonomy. Modern agents operate through a deliberate, repeating loop. Reason, act, iterate. That cycle continues until objectives are met. Complex objectives become manageable when divided logically. Break goals into sub-goals. Structured thinking drives consistent progress. Real capability appears when systems connect to external tools. Agents use tools. Tool access expands practical intelligence. Progress improves through careful repetition and correction. Try, check, adjust. Iteration steadily increases reliability. Consider drafting and reviewing communication automatically. Email agent in action. This shows execution rather than theory. Calendar coordination consumes unnecessary mental energy. Smart scheduling. Automation selects optimal slots efficiently. Development workflows now integrate automated correction systems. Debugging with agents. Testing and refinement accelerate delivery. A workflow behaves like strict instructions that must be followed. Workflow equals recipe. It produces predictable but limited results. An adaptive system behaves more like an experienced cook. Agent equals cook. It adjusts intelligently based on context. Greater autonomy requires defined boundaries and supervision. Agents need guardrails. Responsible oversight protects outcomes. Advanced systems retrieve relevant information before generating output. RAG adds knowledge. This grounding improves accuracy. Some frameworks formalize reasoning and execution explicitly. React loop. Structured loops increase reliability. These capabilities already operate in real production systems. Real-world automation. Practical deployment confirms maturity. Reducing repetitive tasks restores focus and clarity. Less busy work. Strategic thinking becomes easier. The entire system can be summarized in one disciplined cycle. Reason, act, iterate. Repetition drives improvement. Automation shifts human effort toward creativity and judgment. Work smarter. Productivity increases meaningfully. Responsible professionals understand autonomy has limits. Don't overtrust. Human evaluation must remain involved. Precise instructions significantly improve system performance. Clear goals win. Clarity produces stronger outcomes. Any autonomous capability must operate within strict safeguards. Security matters. Permissions and controls ensure safety. Increasingly, systems function as collaborative digital assistants. Autonomous helpers, integration across applications, multiplies value. The shift from answering to executing marks a turning point. Passive, active. Assistance becomes contribution. The most effective mindset is collaborative partnership. Think teammate. This perspective improves interaction quality. Imagine calmly presenting this structure in an interview. Explain it simply. Clarity demonstrates maturity. After this progression, the concept should feel coherent. Now you understand agents. You can now explain it with confidence.